Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out from the InShot app. InShot is not a traditional account-based app on the iPhone. This means there is no logout or sign out button on the iOS version. The app stores your project locally on your device and links pro subscription to your Apple ID. So logging out is not like the other apps where you can switch account instantly, and your projects and drafts are stored locally on your device, and this is why you won't see any logout or sign in option. So since there is no logout, the only way to reset or remove your connection is to delete your app from your iPhone. This removes all the local data, drafts, temporary files, but does not delete the exported videos in your Photos app. So first, what you can do is find your InShot app on the home screen and simply press and hold to InShot app icon on your home screen and tap on this delete. And then you need to confirm it by tapping on this delete again. And any drafts or project not exported before deletion will be permanently lost. And InShot on iPhone does not provide a standard logout option to switch account or reset the app. You must delete and reinstall it again if you want to. And after reinstalling, you can restore your Pro purchase to your Apple ID. All local drafts will be lost unless exported beforehand. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.